Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a super little 1965 Ford Falcon Sprint. Very nice car. I actually took this car in on trade. Matter of fact, I took a pair of these cars in on trade from a buddy of ours, Tom, out of Tennessee, or I'm sorry, out of Texas. Great cars. Both of them are really good cars. Good, solid, straight body. He bought this car. This car originally came out of North Carolina. He bought it from a guy who restored it, he said, about 12 years ago. And he said that's what the guy did. He kind of restored old Falcons, has a bunch of old Falcon parts. But super cool car, man. Factory Wimbledon white. It's got a hopped up little 289 with aluminum heads, 4-speed, 4-wheel disc brakes. Car rocks, I'll tell you that. It scoots down the road. There's a few little things you can nitpick on it, but man, it's a good car, good straight body, slick paint. I like it. I dig it. I've always had a soft spot in my heart for Falcons. Always love these cars. I think they're super cool. I think they're just got a great look to them. And I like it. I really dig it. It's, like I say, factory Wimbledon white car with a black vinyl interior, bucket seats, console. A lot of cool options on this car. You can see the chrome is pretty doggone nice. Sorry, it's one of their fingerprints there. Trim's pretty good. You can nitpick some of the, some of the chrome on it. Your little Ford emblems are worn a little bit, but I mean, leave it alone and drive it. Bumpers are nice. A few little marks there. And it scoots, man. This thing's got a nice little cam to it. Like I say, hits the road real good. Nice and tight. It's geared up. He said he thinks it's a 390 gear in the back. I think it's a Ford 9-inch rear end. This is not Michigan's finest day today, man. It's a cold spring day. Not very fun to be out here in the wind and chilly weather. Matter of fact, we can't even believe it. We got little snowflakes here this morning. Again, good straight car. A little dust in there. My detail boys missed a little bit of there. You can see it's got a little paint discolorization there. I love the taillights on these cars. You can see it's nice and flat down the sides. It's got a 16-inch American Racing torque thrust. Again, it's got 4-wheel disc brakes. Probably the thing I'm least hip on this car, I'm not real hip on the shotgun tips, but I left them alone. Sounds good. Wheels are nice. Ooh, that wind is whipping right now. It may not stay neither with that wind being like that. Again, could run in 289. It's got a Holley Performance dual feed 4-barrel on it. Polished aluminum intake. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads on it. It's got a set of headers on it. It's manual steering. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes on it. I like the air cleaner. It's got the chrome air cleaner with the Falcon finned aluminum valve covers. 4-speed manual trans. Darn cool car, man. And fun to drive. It gets with the program. little fade in your front windshield there. I figure everything's going to blow shut. It's just so cold and windy. It's got the little sprint tach. Mirror shows a little fade. The A-pillar chrome is pretty nice. Glass is good on the car. It's got the original door handles. They're showing a little bit of age. Here's your door tag. Is an original Wimbledon white car. Man, I'm freezing my tail off now, guys. Bucket seats, console. It looks factory, but it's actually a Hurst Competition Plus shifter. So you got to push down and up to get it into reverse. But you don't have to use a T-handle. They originally would have had a T-handle. It's got that wood wheel with the GT350 cap. It's showing 24,000 on your odometer. I'm assuming that's 124. A little tax, cool. Factory AM radio. I don't think it's working. The original owner's manual's in the glove box. It's got a Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. Trunk's nice. Thought this was pretty cool. It's got a Magnum 500 spare. It's got the jack in there. If this thing doesn't come down and whack me in the head. It's all body color in here. It's clean underneath. Floors are nice and solid. Really just good car, man. Seats are nice. They've definitely been repadded. They're very comfortable. Nathan's gonna struggle to shift this thing with those big old size 15s of his. Dash is in good shape. Steering wheel's nice. You can go ahead and start it. I know the parking brake works. This thing's got good sound to it, man. These cars are just cool. Sounds real good. All your gauges are functional. It's got your aftermarket gauges down there. Tach works. Again, your parking brake does work. We might have a ball about it. Now it's on. Just not seeing it. No on the radio. The blower motor does work. Again, you can see the aftermarket gauges work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. There should be a little button you can click on. That way, every time I do one of these cars and post one of these new videos, you can get a notification. Well, I like that car, man. Have a great day, guys.